Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I would like to share a new project that I've been working on. As you may be aware of, I've been making VGA reproduction cards for Loewe 100Hz CRTs with Q24 and 25 chassis. Now before these chassis, Loewe made a VGA card kit for their Q23 chassis, and I've been working on reproduction for a while now. For those of you who want more background about Loewe 100Hz CRTs and the VGA card in general, please check my previous video as this new card works almost identically to the Q24 and 25 card. In this video we will go through the specific differences of the Q23 card. One good thing to note is that because the Q23 is a slightly older chassis, the vast majority of the Q23 models are 4x3. So here we have the original Loewe kit. As you can see, there's more to it than the Q24 and 25 kit. What Loewe did here is pretty odd. They decided to mount the VGA card in the middle of the TV on a plastic bracket attached to the neck itself. VGA connector is proprietary and crimped to a custom cable. You can see that the wires are bent because of the lack of clearance between the plastic I/O plate and the signal board. Because of that, using a standard VGA cable internally is out of the question. So I decided to create a little breakout PCB instead. As for the main card, instead of having people mess with the neck, I decided to design the card to fit in a mostly unused slot for a satellite card. This makes for a much tidier installation in my opinion, but in case you have a satellite card in your TV, be aware that you will have to remove it. Loewe also added a separate cable for the audio input. So in total, instead of having one PCB and one cable like in the Q24 and 25 kit, I've had to make 3 cables and 2 PCBs for the Q23 kit. Now, functionality-wise, the Q23 VGA card enables a VGA geometry menu, just like on the Q24 and 25. But picture quality-wise, I haven't seen any differences between the Q23 card and the Q24 and 25 card. It should be identical. One obvious difference is that on the Q24 and 25, you have a dedicated VGA input channel that will stay on with a blue screen until a VGA signal is fed through. On the Q23, however, you have to navigate to channel 196, and if no input is detected within 10 seconds, the TV will default back to the last used channel. Apart from these differences in a different installation process, the cards should work identically. And that's it for today. I hope these cards will save at least some Loewes from going to landfill. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.